Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to prove the Pythagoras theorem. The statement is, in a right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other two sides. That is, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. Here, ABC is a triangle, right angle triangle, where angle B is 90 degree angle and the side opposite to the 90 degree angle is always hypotenuse. So here AC is a hypotenuse, BC is base and AB is height. Now let's begin the proof. We need to modify the triangle, so we are going to draw perpendicular to the hypotenuse AC from the point B. Let's call this point as B. Now there are total 3 right angle triangles. Triangle ABC where angle B is 90 degree, angle ADB and angle BDC. In both these small triangles, angle D is 90 degree angle. Now we will take two triangles with the base BC as a common side. The two triangles are triangle ABC and triangle BDC. ABC and triangle BDC is a small triangle where D is a 90 degree angle. In triangle ABC, AB angle B is 90 degree. In both the triangles, angle C is same and angle B is equals to angle D is equals to 90 degree. These two conditions satisfy the properties of similar triangles. Therefore, you can say that triangle ABC and BDC both are the similar triangles. That is, angle C is same in both triangles. Angle B is equals to angle D is equals to 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle BDC. As you know, if two triangles are similar, then we can take the ratio of the corresponding sides. Therefore, we will take the ratio of BC upon CD is equals to AC by BC. Now, BC by DC is equals to AC by DC. After cross multiplication, we will get BC square is equals to AC into BC. This is our equation 1. Now, in this case, we have taken base BC as the common side. Now, we will take height AB as the common side. Now, AB as a common side. The two triangles we get are triangle ABC and triangle ADB. Triangle ABC and triangle ADB, which is a small triangle. Here angle D is 90 degree, here angle B is 90 degree. Similarly, here also angle A in the both the triangles is same. Angle A is same in both triangles. And angle B equals to angle D equals to 90 degree. Angle B equals to angle D is equals to 90 degree. Here also we will take the ratio of the corresponding sides. That is, AB upon AD is equals to AC upon AB. We have taken ratio of both the heights and the hypotenuse. AB upon AD. AB upon AD is equals to AC upon AB. AC upon AB. Now, after cross multiplication, we will get, which implies AB square is equals to AC into AD. We have got AB square is equals to AC into AD. AC into AD. This is our equation number 2 and this is our equation 1. Now we will add both the equations. adding equation 1 and 2, what we will get? The LHS are BC square plus AB square is equals to what? AC into CD plus AC into AD. AC into CD plus AC into AD. This is our LHS, this is our RHS. Now here we can see that AC is common, so we can take it outside. Is AC. So what remains inside? CD plus AD. What remains inside? CD plus AD. Now the sum of CD plus AD, CD plus AD, which gives us AC. Therefore we can write it as AC into AC, which is equals to AC square. AC into AC is equal to AC square. And what is our LHS? BC square plus AB square. BC square plus AB square is equals to AC into AC, which is equal to AC square. Now we will rearrange this. That is AC square is equals to BC square plus AB square. This is the final proof of the hypotenuse theorem, which is AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square, where AC is hypotenuse, BC is base and AB is the height. Now in this way we have proved the Pythagoras theorem. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to our channel, then please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries regarding your academics, then please mention it in the comments. We will definitely reply. And if you want us to make further more videos on a specific topics, then we will definitely make it. Just you need to put that down in the comment box. Thank you.